thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please? I guess I should have been honest. It breaks in my heart. It's weighing me down, baby. I'm like a river that's overflowed. The sooner you know it, the less do we hurt.
God, we just got off a... This kid's looking. We just got off the slow boat and now we're at a homestay. In a very, very, very rural village. I actually have no idea where we are.
I'll be changed every time. For example, tonight you say this house or that house, that house.
It's a little pig, look. Hello. The chickens. Oh my god, look at all the pigs. I know, that's so cute, right? I feel like I'm on a farm in the US right now.
In the flames, we fell down to the bottom. So bottom up, please. We're gonna get on.
The boat down there, that's what we came on.
I see the smoke in the mirrors. I'm holding the key, one step away from salvation. You're like the ocean, setting me free. Out in the open, I'm picking up speed. No bad thoughts penetrate. Hold me like this is the first time. Our destiny calls, not leaving this incomplete. Won't you lay it on me? Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire.
It's to give us good fortune. So cute.
The flames, ooh, throw our problems in the flames. I get a little bit breathless. My thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please?
Absolutely loved it. It was beautiful, a lot more peaceful and tranquil compared to Cambodia and Vietnam. A lot more underdeveloped, but in like a beautiful way. Would really recommend Laos because I didn't really hear much about it before I went. And yeah, if you like beautiful scenery, countryside, more than city, small town, just go there. It's so nice. And yeah, now I'm back in Thailand and I'm here for another 3 weeks before Australia. So I've been here a month and we've eaten so many noodles and rice. I actually got baked beans. The first baked beans I had. They don't have them anywhere, so... Can't buy Leo. What? Con... Moon? Was it? Oh, fuck, I forgot it. Was it?
What wrong kun?
Oh, what
Kron... Huh?
What Ron Kun?
What Ron Con?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus Christ. That's terrifying. Oh, well, this is pleasant. Sparkly. Oh my god, it is. It's like glass almost.
It's so bright. It's a lot. It's like hard to look.
Now in Chiang Rai, we crossed the border into Thailand last night. I'm out at this temple and it's beautiful, but it's just got a bit of weird vibes. There's like for example, there's dead heads just like hanging in the tree. We like aren't sure if it's like Halloween decoration, but then there's like actual wooden ones in this tree. I feel like we're in something from Frozen or like a Disney princess film. Should we go make a wish? This temple's only 15 years old and the guy built it like warning the use of like drugs and alcohol because it's like the teachings of Buddhism. But I thought these were here for like maybe Halloween, but no, they're here all the year round. Look at this hotel room. If you can see how big it is. Like it makes my backpack look small. It's just so nice. And like, there's even a balcony. But yeah, we've just made it to Chiang Mai. We left Laos like 3 days ago now. We took a slow boat down the Mekong River. It took about 2 days, so it's like 20 hours, 10 hours, and we stayed in this little like really very rural village, you'll have seen it, for a night, and then we took another 10 hour on the same slow boat into Chiang Rai, and we just arrived in Chiang Mai, and it actually is where my tour ends. I've lost my voice. About 3 or 4 of us are actually going to stay in Chiang Mai, and then we're going to go to Pai, which is about a 2-hour coach ride from Chiang Mai, and it's like really backpacky. Like a lot of backpackers go there. It's quite a party town, I've heard. Yeah, I've had a bit of a change of plans, so I thought I want to stay in like the north of Thailand for like an extra week, make the most of it while I'm here, and then I'm going to fly to Bangkok and do the Gulf of Thailand later on, so the next 2 weeks, and then head to Singapore. So yeah, I'm actually excited. Like I enjoyed the tour, and I'm going to do a bit of a roundup, say my thoughts and like if I'd recommend it or not. There's pros and cons, to be honest, but I'm kind of excited just to take a more slower paced approach to traveling, because it's been very like go go go. We've not had much time in each place, and like you do like an overnight train and then you'll have 1 day in each place, so you're really tired, but then you want to make the most of it, so you kind of just like run yourself into the ground a little bit, or you kind of miss out. So I'm actually excited to like take things at my own pace, give myself some time to like chill, have the freedom of like choosing what I'm gonna do. So yeah, I'm sad the tour's finishing obviously, but I'm excited now to go fully solo, have more control, and probably save a bit more money. And then yeah, I'm going to Australia, and that's just roughly the